Hey there YouTube, Ben Green here, and wanting to show you this right here. It's an older vehicle, older truck, from around 97, 98 according to the pack, I believe. 99. So yeah, 1999, which actually might have been 2000 then model. These packs went from 97 to about 2000, yeah, to 2000. And 2000 and 2001, they started changing them out. But this is a Ford stake bed truck. You don't see these anymore. That plastic, it lifts up and down. Pretty cool. I don't know if y'all like trucks, but I kind of like trucks myself. Pretty cool. Look at that back of it. But just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Let me know what y'all think about it down in the comments below. If you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.